Woman encompasses and straddles many diverse roles in her journey of life, some overlapping, some contrasting, and some complementing. She is malleable like water, fiery like fire. She nourishes the earth. She is vital to life, like the air we breathe. Nature and the identity of woman are deeply connected. She engages in many professions. Her personal life speaks of her in-depth understanding of nature. The subaltern woman has a strength of character that is far beyond the mere boundaries of economic power. Neither age nor health can deter her. She sows grains, shapes the earth to make pots that hold food, forms the earth into bricks to build homes. Cuts grass to make brooms to clean. Brings beauty into life with her designs. It is her untiring effort that sustains the kitchen, that keeps traditions alive, traditions of art, culture, food, and ecology. Life needs to be seen as one integrated whole, comprising an amazing gamut of aspects and perspectives. So also, woman, For with all the various identities and roles that she holds, she is the one pivotal point that holds life together. And that is what makes her who she is. She manages family, she manages work. She's tough, she's fragile, she is stoic, she is joyous. And with and within all these myriad frames, she is a celebration of life. She is the elemental power of Mother Earth and of nature in all her glory. Reflections of an Identity as a Woman in Society by Rekha Vijayashankar.